Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a yearbook video edit on Prequel. So press Effects, and then you are just going to find Yearbook. So I'm just going to do that. I think it's a new. So select Yearbook, and then select on the filter you want to put on the video. But I personally like this one the best, like the first one. And then you can change the name by clicking on the filter again. And here you can change the name of the person. So I'm just going to write Taylor Swift for this one. Press done. And then on the text, you can write like the description of it. Like you can change it. I'm just going to write like one of her song lyrics. Press done. Then you can also adjust the texture and like the fold, the filter, like this on and off. I'm just going to press the checkmark button. Once you're done, I'm just going to press next and wait for the video to export. And then once you are done, you are just going to then press save video. And then that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!